Example B, we are asked to find the value of 133 1/3% of 480. We are going to take the same step in expressing the percentage to fractions and thereafter multiply it by 480 naira. So this is said to be 133 1/3% of, in mathematics, means multiplication of 480. So I'm going to express this as a fraction, which is said to be, I'll multiply 133 times 3 plus 1. So if you do that, you have 133 times 3 is said to be, 3 times 3 is 993. So we have 399 plus 1 is 400. So 133 1/3% is said to be 400 divided by 3. You know, this is percentage. That means divide by 100. All of this times 480 naira over 1. So we simplify this. 400 divided by 3 divided by 100 can be said to be 400 divided by 3 times 1/100 times 480. And when you simplify this further, this can be said to be 400 divided by 300 times 480 over 1. Now, these two zeros can cancel these two zeros. This is said to be equal to 4/3 times 480 over 1. So this, I have been able to express the percentage as a fraction, giving us 4/3. I will now multiply 4/3 by 480 naira. So it gives me the equivalence of 133 1/3%. So when you do that, I know that 3 can divide itself and 48. 3 into itself is 1. 3 into 4 is 1, remainder 1. This becomes 18. 3 into 18 is 6. 3 into 0 is 0. So this is said to be equal to 4 times 160. Remember, we are dealing with quantity, and the quantity we are dealing with is naira. So our answer is going to be in terms of naira. So this is equal to, when you multiply 160 times 4, this is said to be 0. 4 times 6 is 24. You write down 4 and carry 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So this is said to be 640 naira. What that means is that 133 1/3% of 480 naira is said to be 640 naira. Now, it is said to be greater than what we have because 133 1/3% is said to be greater than 100%. So this is your answer. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the links with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take more examples.